What's in there?
Paper present.
Gertie.
Paper present. Little paper.
Ooh.
What is it?
Papers.
Gertie.
It's for you. See, it's mine.
Thanks, Margaret.
Thanks, Margaret.
Smell
Smell?
it. Mmm.
A bit.
Okay.
Did you smell it? Does it smell like candy?
A bit.
Please? Shh, baby.
Make your toys smell good.
Smell.
Yummy.
Does it
It
smell
smells
good?
good. What's this?
Pass it.
Oh, look at this.
Pass
Teddy needs a bath. Uh-oh.
There's a book. See the book?
it.
Look, Mabel. Your Teddy can get dirty. Uh-oh, Teddy needs a bath. Where's Puppy? Puppy needs a bath. And so does Bobby. And Bunny. They'll need a bath. Baby and Sunshine.
So fresh and softer than ever before.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Say no, Gertie. Those are my stuffed animals.
Uh-oh.
Can you say thank you, Aunt Margaret? Mabel, you say thank you?
This is where we can clean Puppy and Bobby.
Cool.
Bunny. Teddy needs a bath.
You want to put your puppy in there?
Here. You can put Puppy in there so they can take a bath.
She's like, no.
No, Church. Puppy.
Mabel, say thank you, Margaret.
Church. Puppy.
Thank you, Margaret. Mabel. Where's Aunt Margaret? Where's Aunt Margaret? Okay. Mabel says thank you. Thank you.
Look. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Oh.
Can you sing?
A, B, C, D, 2.
H, I, J, K. You sing the song?
A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, P, T, U, S, T, U, V, W, X. Happy ABCs.
Where's the ABC?
Where'd the ABCs go? I think they're back here.
Gertie.
A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, L, P, T,
J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
T, U, S, T, U, V, A, B, C,
What about
D,
W, X, Y, and Z?
now I see next
Okay, bye-bye, Margaret.
Bye-bye, Mark.
Bye-bye, Margaret.